So I think the podcast is aimed at any number of people, anybody that's really got an interest in materials. So whether you've got an interest in the engineering or science side of materials, or arts and design, or anywhere in between, really. I have a real mix of guests, from very technical to artists and designers, and really it's just about sharing that interest and that passion for materials and trying to expand people's kind of knowledge base of what's out there and what's available. So I think one of the things that we see quite often is we deal with lots of very talented, very knowledgeable people in their particular fields, but tend to find that obviously nobody can know everything. So sometimes there are gaps in terms of their materials knowledge in knowing what's possible. So I suppose it's there just to maybe fill in some of those gaps and maybe show somebody something new. So yeah, I think anybody can, hopefully anybody that listens to it can get something out of it. Aphrodite, Dr. Aphrodite Tomu, works a lot with bringing new innovative products to Goodfellow, and as you mentioned, one of the new products there that we've brought forward is a green graphene. And I suppose, like you mentioned as well, the valley of death, and I suppose that, like all innovations, it's got to bridge the gap between research and industry. Particular graphene, it has an innovative production process. So it's made by converting methane, which is a waste greenhouse gas, into an environmentally friendly product. So you're actually taking carbon out of the atmosphere, or stopping it getting into the atmosphere in the form of methane, and turning it into essentially something, locking the carbon away in a really useful product. The process also produces a really high quality, ultra pure graphene. Other techniques can introduce impurities, metal impurities, etc. There's none of that with this graphene. So that's another real benefit, and so many potential applications, from heat spreading solutions such as heat sinks, indoor solar cells, display screens, various medical, chemical and industrial processes. Hopefully that gives an overview, and if anybody's got any more questions on it, then obviously feel free to reach out. So Goodfellow are continuously working hard on new and innovative products, and with our customers to solve their particular material-based problems. As you can imagine, it's difficult for us to talk about things that are not currently announced, or kind of customer-specific stuff, but watch this space. We've got some really exciting new materials, innovative materials on the way. Some of the ones that we've released relatively recently: perovskite, a range of perovskite materials used in lithium-ion battery research and manufacture. So there's lots of information on our website. I think we've done some webinars talking about those. So I think that's something we're quite excited about.
So we're looking forward to bringing some of our most innovative materials and also our widely used materials and talk about their potential applications. One of my favorite things about material science is showcasing a material that has been designed and researched for one field or application, and then seeing scientists from another area find different innovative applications for it. The benefits to using Goodfellow as a material supplier are wide and depend on what you're looking for. The quality of our materials is at the center of everything that we do. So we have a huge range of stock that's available without minimum order quantity, and a great team of technical material scientists who are always available to answer questions and support in your research and development. We also respond to custom requirements and help our customers save money by finding exactly what they need all in one place. So in seeing the challenges that we face today, everything from healthcare to flying a helicopter on Mars, you realize how much material science has a crucial role to play in this world and in others. And this will always be exciting. It's great to see what other companies are bringing to the table, and as this is the first exhibition that anyone will have attended in quite some time, it'll be great to see some familiar faces and see new ones too. Not one, but three, if that's okay. Save money, reduce waste, and get exactly what you need.